Hello and let's go. Today, very short video. I'm just going to show you the main brief pump which was on the Bitcoin and how much time we have till Ethereum will explode. Let's go. Plus. One momento. Plus. I'm going to show you how portfolios in management funds, in pension funds, have been now transformed to include crypto. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome to 321 Crypto. Remember, everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. Today we're gonna go very quickly, so there is no kind of point to extend that. So all coins are on fire. Once Bitcoin went up now and it's accumulating here, we are looking at Bitcoin Ethereum price. So Ethereum ETH BTC, we will see when Ethereum will actually have its run up. If we can take a look, like we had a dip here, so if we can take a look on this, we could get the first wave here, or A, B, and now we are producing C or wave 3. So anyway, what I'm thinking, we will soon be able to see probably Ethereum for 0.0 BTC, which means that Ethereum itself could achieve this stagnant price of 3,500, or even we could go to 4,000. That could be something. So remember, if we will go up, okay, don't forget to take something for you, because all the altcoins will start pumping, everything will start pumping, and then usually market is selling something. Like even here when we had a pump, when the Bitcoin was going sideways, and then finally got his top here for 48,000. And then from 48,000, we went down to 38,000, 10K down. And altcoins were down significantly lower, okay? So have this thing in mind. Compound, nice up. What else we can kind of do something with these coins? Now, I am accumulating Scallop. They have everything ready. It's like a blockchain bank, but everything ready. And they're going into the real world assets. Token, Fi, nice. I thought we're just gonna run like to this level, maybe 3,000, and we are going, I think, up to 5,000. So that's something. I'm still selling. I am selling these coins while they are going up. Okay, so I am selling them, selling into the rally, selling and set sailing. Okay, gamer hash, nice. Man, I'm waiting for this hard retest, and watch out for Orion protocol. We may go a little bit up, but I am slowly cashing out from Orion. Okay, I am cashing out from Orion. CQT, you see, most of these coins now are at this level, so I would focus on the coins that they are not at this level. Okay, not yet, and we can have a nice run of nice bit of these coins. Basically, gaming coins like Farcana is having now a retest here at the wave 4, and I'm waiting till it's gonna start lifting for another, let's say, 50%. I think they are releasing this game in Q2, so maybe they're gonna have other listings on other exchanges which gonna start pumping, because they say they're gonna be launching on 5 different exchanges. So remember about Farcana, Rev, nice pump. Someone was calling to me telling me that Rev is about to explode. Boom, explosion granted. So at this point in time, watch out. DOT is pumping, and I think we are going towards $10. So when we were here at this level, okay, I was saying that we're gonna go to around $8, And then I'm seeing now $10, which gonna be very similar to these coins. We're gonna achieve this level, and then I think these coins will gonna have a small build up, and once they're gonna be free up, look, dot is able to go to 14. The narration about the dot is just starting, so I wouldn't cross dot. I think dot has the potential now to go. So I would look at dot, I would look at bake, because bake is also preparing for, and it has power now and weekly, a little bit. The bake is preparing for, but this move up, I think it's a wave 2. I think I'll sideways a little bit. It's preparing to give the revenue share, same as Uniswap. So that's gonna be something. If you can take a look at other coins, let's say Fido, Toshe is going now nice. I'm just waiting till Fido will start talking to Byte, and they will not going to hate each other. Fidium, nice, but watch out, I think it's gonna be retest here. All these coins are pumping like it's if you can see the dip, where I'm using the dip, okay, but remember, if you are trading, have stop loss, because if the move will be dramatic or something will happen, you will be out of the game. Coin that is under the radar, and I think it may pump really hard, is 0x gas. I'm thinking to put more money into this coin. I'm thinking. So yeah, because all these coins are now generating higher highs. So like 2 millions evaluation is nothing. So anyway, let's move to this side. So like I said, Cake is planned to release revenue share, same thing as Uniswap. So think only, if these DEX coins will start releasing revenue shares now, it's gonna be like a normal company which is producing something, and then you are getting dividends from their production. So you can have the dividends from shares revenue, and it's gonna look like a dividend, like a normal dividend in stock. That's why I'm thinking that entire stock industry will start tokenizing. It's just like the amount of money, like, geez, I'm gonna show you later on. So this is a nice speech. I don't know, did you see this speech from Nayib Bukele, so El Salvador's president, and he was telling about what is happening in Salvador, how they transform from nobody into now that everyone is looking at them because they release Bitcoin bonds, they have arrest all these burglars, these knackers, yeah. So they are changing in a country that everyone else would like to have, you know. Everyone see that these elite globalism, they are not good, like, you know, every country that you live in, let's say this is US or EU, most of these countries are communistic countries. Yep, sorry, that's the true communistic country. It's communistic country. Like, if you work hard and you have progressive tax, so you work more and you pay more taxes so that you won't work more. If you want to achieve something, the government don't want you to work more because you may be too smart and could overrun the government. You know what I mean? If more of you will happen in the country. So I don't know, but we are going to this. And this is the news which is now cruising around. You know, these Houthis, they try to cut the wire, which is internet wire, which is connecting Europe with Asia. And this will mean that we could have the similar event like in March 2020. Similar. Everything is going into March. Watch out, because February is almost gone. So that's going to be very interesting. What they do. Maybe they're going to do the same thing with Nord Stream and then blame, you know, who. That's something. So everything is pumping. Yes, on the radar. No problemo. Remember when I was talking a few times about Alvara, which was released on Tencent. Look, the first serve round was done under 4 minutes. They sold everything what they had just within 4 minutes. And like I said, Alvara is utilizing new standard, and this new standard will be for ETFs, but it will be for pension funds, hedge funds, investment funds. Basically, if I don't know what my hedge fund is doing, I have no way to check what they do with my money or what's their financial condition is. With this, I will be able to see how and with what they are investing. You know what I mean? So that's gonna be something. That's gonna be something. Transparency will be required after we're gonna be in a banking crisis. That's what I think. Okay. So watch out because on 4th of March, we will have a UNISWAP launch. Launch on UNISWAP at 2 p.m. And this is good. Like, this is about this profit taking. Everyone is so solid. Everyone's so solid. Till they will see minus 20% on the daily candles. Then like panic. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay. And you know why this is happening? Okay. Because they don't cash out anything, because bull market is getting started. Okay. Bull market is getting started. So if you see huge move like this on your coin, okay, probably your coin will have a pullback about 50%. Okay. So if you want to see, let's say that let's for example have a 10 grand, suddenly from this 10 grand is only 5 grand and you didn't take any profit, remember, you're gonna be caught at the end of the market having, let's say, I don't know, 100 grand, and then you're gonna stay with this 100 grand and exit with 20 grand if you will be lucky. Okay, that's how I can see that thing. Padre, remember that I was showing Padre a few times. This is this a huge improvement in DEXs, in trading DEXs, on Uniswap when you trade on Ethereum, because you can put stop losses, you can buy something without being caught by the MEV bots, you know. Very, 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 very good solution, very good solution. Like Padre looks something like this, okay? You can see that we having all the panels here. We can choose to buy on the market price, okay? We can choose to choose the limit. That is exactly like on the normal exchange, but it's on DEXs. We can sell setting the stop losses, or we can sell by getting the take profit, you know? Everything is on the DEX, again, DEX. So normally when you buy something on Uniswap, okay, usually you are falling into the trap of Jared. For example, Jared is the MEV bot. So basically, let's say you set your slippage on 5%, okay? It means that your price could be here and here, yeah? So let's say we have the orders, which they are placed here, 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 and here. Imagine yourself that you are buying for this price, okay? So let's say you are buying for this price, but Jared knows that, and he's buying this before you. He knows that you have a slippage 5%, okay? So he is moving the price here, and you are selling, you are buying from him, and he's getting this percentage, okay? The difference between these orders. Of course, let's say, of course, I'm showing just one order, yeah, here. I'm just showing only one order, because it looks like he's passing all the orders. No, let's say we have this order and this order, okay? So so he's buying here and he's selling here, and you pay additional fee. That's why Jared, if you're gonna type in the famous wallets Jared Froms, yeah, you can see that he's earning millions on these swaps, yeah. So thanks to Padre, you don't have, you see, MEV protection, you don't have to worry about. So Padre, we have a listing on 4th of March, okay? 4th of March. It's worth to kind of take a look. Now, the Bitcoin is, the Bitcoin bears are still here. And if we're gonna take a look at this side, look, now they already are here above the price. So the price will go down usually once there will be no new bears. They're gonna lose appetite, and then market will catch all the bulls, yeah? So I think more bears we're gonna have now, price will go even higher. PlayStation is firing 900 staff worldwide. So still we have a let it go, layoffs, layoffs, layoffs. Watch out, because something is moving around. Too close and too fast, fast and furious. And now, Fidelity is recommending 1 to 3% crypto allocation in your portfolio. Thing only. gateway drug. What happens when that 3% become 3.6%? Slowly, then suddenly. That's Fidelity Investments. Fidelity all-in-one conservative ETF fund. Okay, 1% crypto. Okay, fixed income, 59%. Equity, 40%. Fidelity all-in-one balance ETF fund. FBAL, 2%. Crypto. Fidelity all-in-one growth, 3%. Crypto. Fidelity all-in-one equity, 3% crypto. Equity, 97. What will happen if this will become even 10%? Boom! Boom! That's just happening. And here, why? Because of this.
Are you or a loved one suffering after buying Bitcoin? Are you fed up with the huge returns on investment?
That's crazy, crazy ad.
Fed up with all the financial sovereignty and freedom? Perhaps you're annoyed with Bitcoin's level playing field and predictability, or maybe you're just disheartened with its strictly limited supply and constant growth of your purchasing power. Whatever it might be, don't worry. Central bankers have got a plan for you. Introducing central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. It's just like Bitcoin, but without all the freedom, revolution, and financial gain. The idea is simple. Why have control
Crazy,
of your own money and life using Bitcoin when you can let an entrenched communist central bank?
Crazy, crazy. Anyway, so let go your freedom. Allow central bankers to manage your funding. Let's give up. Let's give them everything. So they are scared. That's why they're gonna join us. They're gonna join us. We may be at the front of the revolution. Okay. Later on, we will see how everything will be displayed. So take care and see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow Ethereum will be on fire.